Today, we're gonna show you how to make smoked pulled chicken on the Timberline XL. Let's get started. We've loaded our hopper with apple pellets today. We'll get that closed. We're gonna go ahead and set our cooking temperature today for 375 degrees. Now we hit ignite and we are ready to go. When it comes to ingredients for this pulled chicken today, we're gonna keep it really simple and very neutral because it's gonna be important for us to be able to use this pulled chicken for a lot of different things. If I'm putting it on a salad, if I'm putting it in tacos, if I'm just putting it in a cup on a little bit of cottage cheese, we're gonna go very neutral with seasoning and our beer, just so that we have a chance to cook once, eat twice. We're gonna start off with a whole fresh chicken. Now, this has no solutions, no injections. This is good, clean, fun right here. 4-pound chicken, that's what we're starting with. We have the Traeger chicken throne. We already went ahead and filled that with our favorite beer, giving us a real neutral flavor. We're gonna use oil as our binder today, and then we're gonna season it up with rub-a-dub. Go ahead and add just enough oil to get this coated, and we'll get that all set here and ready to go. We'll go ahead and tuck those wings under. You can also clip the wings too if you prefer. Just depends on how they sit back there. I think these guys will be just fine folded under like that, but we'll go ahead and get that oil on there, get this all seasoned up and ready to go. I'm gonna start on the back side here. We'll get just a light coating of rub-a-dub, and then you know what? It's okay. Go ahead, pack that on there a little bit. Push that down, make sure it sticks. We'll go ahead and turn that over, and then we'll season the top side. Hey, like we always say, season this as light or as heavy as you prefer. Again, I'm keeping it neutral because I'm gonna use this for quite a few different things once I get this roasted and pulled. Now that we are all seasoned, we are going on to the chicken thrown like that. Hey, if you need to, give it a little touch up if any of your rub stuck, but I'll tell you what, I like to take what's in the pan, get that right back on there. We are fully preheated. We took out that middle rack. Go ahead and load that chicken like that. Now, a couple things you can do. We have the meter probe, so we're gonna go ahead and load our meter probe in the thickest part of the breast, but don't worry about it. If you have a Traeger that doesn't have that, use your normal Traeger probe. That'll work just fine. All right, now that we've got the probes loaded, it is time to set your alarm. We're gonna cook this today to a desired doneness of 165 degrees. So we'll close the lid, let's get cooking. Just like that, we are done. Let's head into the kitchen and let it rest before we pull it. All right, we'll take this off the throne. We're gonna go ahead and let that kind of just rest for about 10 minutes. We'll take the meter probe out as well. Well, like I said, we'll let it rest for about 10 minutes and we'll come back. Time to pull it, time to shred it, we're done. So we let it rest for about 10 minutes, and I like to start off with the leg-thigh combo, get that shredded. Now, we cook this to 165 degrees, so we shouldn't have any red on the bones, and our juices, you can see, are running clear. That is a great sign that we did a good job. But I'm gonna go through and shred this now, get it into bite-sized pieces. Now for the breast cage, what I like to do is pull that skin off, and then basically just go in, separate the breast off there, and shred this as well. All right, we'll do the same thing on the other side. Get the breast off, get that shredded. So there's two things you can do with the chicken wings. There's not a lot of meat to pull and to shred, so to speak. So I like to save these for a little snack. Now, we are done, right? We've got the carcass left. This is great if you want to make your own chicken stock. If not, discard it. All right, so here's my chef's tip for you. This is great, right? You might as well do 2 chickens because you can usually buy them in a 2-pack. That way you've got chicken today, then cook once, eat twice. You can shred it, store it in a zipper bag. Now you've got chicken for anything else you need. Pulled chicken, super fun, super easy, super flavorful. If you're looking for more great items, head over to our pulled pork recipe. That's coming up next.